Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how I got this very easy, quick go-to makeup look. So let's get right into the video. So the first thing that I do, you guys, is my brows. Okay, I always do my brows first, and I use this e.l.f. dip brow in the shade medium brown, and it is only $3, sis. So yeah, it works great. It's very creamy. I've been using this for years, literally years. So I'm using the Anastasia A7 brush. This is their angled brush, and I'm just going to fill in my brows. And after I fill them in, I'm going to clean them up using my Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Concealer, and this one's in the shade 145. So after I clean up my brows, I also take that same concealer and drag it down to my eyelids to prime them. So that is what you guys see me doing here now. So for my go-to looks, you guys, I always use like a soft neutral color. So I'm going to take the ABH Cosmetics Oasis palette and take the shade Canyon, and I'm going to apply this color literally all over my lid. So I'm going to take my Essence Super Last Matte Liquid Liner that you can find from Ulta. This is also very affordable, you guys, and it's super matte, which I love. So I'm going to just create a wing using this eyeliner. So after that, I'm going to go ahead and apply my lashes. I'm using the Lena lashes in the style Aesha. You guys, I love Lena lashes. All her styles are amazing. And yeah, me personally, I love big lashes, even on my go-to looks. Like, I don't know, I love it. So moving on to skin, I'm using my Pond's Face Moisturizer to moisturize my face so we won't be looking cakey or anything, or feeling cakey, you know. For foundation, I'm going back to my fave, which is the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. I'm in the shade 09 Tan. So yeah, it's just something about this foundation. I love it so much. It's full coverage. It's a drugstore foundation, so it's very affordable. And yeah, I love the coverage, and it's not super matte. It has like a, you know, it has a dewiness to it, honey. So, and I'm using my Sonia Kashuk sponge to blend this all out. So for concealer, I'm using the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect concealers. One is in the shade 165 and the other is in the shade 145. I use two of them. I love the coverage on these as well. So yeah, I'm just going to apply it underneath my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, my chin. I'm also going to blend all this out with the same Sonia Kashuk Beauty Blender. So to set everything in place, I'm going to use this Bakerie Flower Yellow Banana Powder. I forgot what it's called. It's just a yellow setting powder, and it works so good. I love it so much, and this is definitely my go-to setting powder now. So yeah, I'm gonna set my entire face with this. So to bronze up my skin, I'm using my ABH Cosmetics Brillance bronzer in the shade CoCo Cutie, and this brush I'm using, y'all, when I tell you, I've had this forever, and I bought this at Marshall's like years ago, and it's still bomb. I never have problems with the cheap brushes that I buy from like Ross and Marshall's ever. They don't shed or anything. So to set my face, I'm gonna use this new Huda Beauty matte setting spray, which is so freaking strong, but it's bomb. I'll talk about it more in another video. So for highlight, you guys, I'm using my Ofra highlighter. This highlighter is so good. It is so pigmented. Okay, you guys, so for lipstick, I'm using 3 lip products. So I line my lips with the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Malt, and that is what you guys see me doing now. And for lipstick, I'm using the Wet n Wild liquid lipstick in the shade Sin Nudes, which is my favorite nude ever. And right on top, I'm going to use this Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in the shade Pearl. So that is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.